Okay, so that's how we impersonate over here by my profile, and I'll click impersonate user. Now this is a vulnerability response, that's a group, security incident and response task, that's the group type. Now under here, these are the members, so we can go ahead and impersonate Anna Baker, we can go ahead and impersonate her. All right, so click impersonate, and you see that Anna Baker and impersonate. Then from there you come the three dots, which is the menu. Then you have vulnerability manager workspace. Okay, now under that workspace you see that it's automatically loaded to the home page. Under that you'll have the vulnerabilities, host vulnerabilities. These are mainly on the CIs, and you have also an application vulnerabilities. Our main goal for today is the host vulnerabilities that are found on the configuration item, not on the application side. All right, owner. Now what I can do here is, once I logged in, which is I am right here with a circle and also dots AB, Anna, I impersonate her. So host vulnerabilities are here. It's view by. We can go ahead and search with this filter right here. This is giving us 661. We can further narrow this one. Anything that's within the past 90 days or decommissioned, unassigned, and so on, we can go ahead and filter it. But for now, we have right here a quick report, okay, or a quick kind of report for us by assignment group and also remediation task. And the good thing is right here is we have the choice right here, the target met, okay, target met, and no targets, and target missed. So to get that many CIs that are currently target missed. Now if we go to vulnerabilities right here, by state, these are the vulnerabilities open, under investigation, awaiting implementation and review, and also resolved. So these are the different states of the vulnerabilities currently. Now if you click this one, actually it's gonna take you directly to the vulnerabilities, and we can go ahead and take a look at that. Go ahead and do that. All right, as I click it, you'll see that we have got the VIT. This is vulnerable item, VIT. So let me go ahead and click it. You have the summary right here. This is found on Apache and doesn't have a configuration item. The risk score is 70. Risk rating is too high and the state is still open. Now, as I go ahead and open this vulnerable item, okay, now the VIT is right here, the VIT number, and scroll down. The remediation task right here. So the remediation task is VUL, vol. The vol is the remediation task. Now that vulnerable item is tied to 3 remediation tasks, and these are the impacted services currently: the e-commerce, agent workspace, and also cloud management. Those 3 are already impacted. Okay, if there are any state change, we can go ahead and take a look at that. VCA. All right, if anything that is currently open. So now you'll have right here a quick kind of telling you that this vulnerability item, how many in that many days remediation target missed. So 11/11/05. So it's kind of a warning right here, so we have to act immediately. So this is a demo data, we should be okay. All right, that's mainly about the home tab. So right here, the home, that's going to bring you to the all vulnerabilities. Okay, status, you click go back, so you got by state, by risk rating, and if you further scroll down, you'll see that in remediation task, okay, with existing exploit, and by external facing, by CI. So these are vulnerabilities by CIs and so on. Let me go ahead and open the list. The list is also a quick way of making filter whatever your remediation task you have. Right here we have remediation task, anything active and all. So these are all active remediation tasks currently. View all. So you go ahead and open this, for example, right here. That's found on the host vulnerabilities. Okay, and the overall is 1 critical and currently is open, and it looks like target is masked, and it's found on the window server. Perfect. Okay. Host vulnerable items, application vulnerable items, and approvals, and so on. It's easy to create your own list as well by clicking a new list, which is fine. All right, so in general, you have three things, which is the home tab. Under the home, in this IT remediation workspace, you can be able to view, prioritize remediation tasks quickly, and also you can access a list of tasks that has been prioritized based on the severity and also the impact by clicking the list. You can take actions. Okay, you can take actions where remediation owners execute any remediation tasks that need to be fixed on this. Okay, you can also manage any remediation first. It help us to manage the workflow efficiently, ensuring most critical vulnerabilities are addressed first as well. So this workspace is really, really, really important for IT remediation owners, so they can easily navigate through it and also prioritize, remediate, and so on. All right, let's go ahead and actually open some of them that are target missed. I clicked it, and you see that I am come to the VIT. As I click and open that VIT, the vulnerable item, that's overview. You got the details right here, the detection, okay, impacted server, and also remediation task. Let's go ahead and open the remediation task, the view all. Okay, so this view all right here. So you got remediation progress so far 0% because nothing started on it, so that's gonna give you kind of a 0%. You can go ahead and assign to yourself, so that way that's how you can take action here. I'll go ahead and assign because I'm a member of that. You see, as I go ahead and assign to myself, so let's go ahead and refresh so I can go ahead and work on it. So it's very easy to go ahead and navigate. You know, if you are so efficient as you do any of those works, you'll have activity trackers are tagged as well. It's right here that's assigned to Anna Becker. She is currently the owner for this remediation task. Okay, now solutions at time you might have with third-party integrations. Currently we don't have any solutions right here. Okay, perfect. So it's assigned to Anna, which is myself right here, and then for some reason this one is also found on this configuration item, so she can go ahead and continue work on this. Okay, so updating the status and so on. Okay, perfect. So that's pretty much cover the vulnerability